Hey guys, what's up? This is Aaron. What you're about to hear is a binaural sound test between the Sony WH-1000XM4 and the Bose NC700. Now, I've already gone pretty in-depth into their sound quality differences in this video when I was doing this pretty deep A to B comparison between these headphones, but this time, you guys are actually going to hear the differences for yourselves. So here's what's going to happen. You guys are gonna listen to a couple of binaural recorded songs with side-by-side comparisons. Both are receiving their music from an iPhone using flat EQ with zero enhancements to their sound quality. For the best possible fidelity and experience, I recommend that you use a pair of headphones to listen to these recordings. But of course, since these recordings were made through a microphone, you are essentially listening to these headphones through a filter. And they may sound a little different from these recordings compared to when you actually listen to these headphones in a store. But I've pretty much done my best to ensure that these recordings sound as lifelike as possible to the real thing without any unnecessary adjustments to their sound quality. So please enjoy.
Looking back at me, I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. When I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right
Now, I think the Bose sounds very nice. It's got a mid-range that's a little more relaxed, a little more laid back than the XM4. Also, its sound staging seems to be a little more open, airy, and a little more brilliant than the XM4. Brilliant in such a way that, details in the background seem to show up a little clearer. Also, its upper bass sounds pretty tight without sounding thin or lethargic, and that's great. Its track separation is quite decent in the mid-range, especially when playing slower music tracks like sentimental music, such as the track that I played earlier, I'll Get Over You, which is a great track for testing vocals. But if you play faster music, higher intensity music, then its track separation starts to suffer. You will begin to notice that it sounds a little more messy, a little more mashed up than the XM4's, which in contrast handles track separation like a champion regardless of whether it's slow music or fast music. And when the Bose starts sounding a little more mashed up, that's when it also starts to sound a little more lifeless compared to the Sony's because of its more laid-back mid-range character. On the other hand, the Sony's, apart from its great track separation, it also has bass extension that hits deeper and is more impactful than the Bose. Also, I kinda prefer how its mid-range sounds compared to the Bose. It just sounds like it's got more gravity in it and more vibrancy in its mid-range. So based on my personal tastes, I feel that the Sony sounds better than the Bose out of the box. But I know for a fact that different people have different tastes when it comes to sound quality, so what do you guys think? Which of these headphones sounds better to you based on the recordings? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please smash like if you found this video useful. More videos covering the XM4s coming up soon, so if you want to stay tuned for more videos from this channel, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. If you want to see my in-depth comparison between the XM4 and the Bose NC700, please watch this video. If you want to see me compare the XM4 to the Sennheiser Momentum 3 wireless headphones, please watch this video over here. Thanks again for watching. どうぞビダーニャ